Hi guys, I'm Vicky. In this video I'm going to teach you Python pandas package. This package is basically using in many different fields like data engineering, data analytics, data science. So if you're working in this field, this package is very important. So in this video I covered the basics of Python pandas and also I did the project. So let's get started. So if you want this project link, you can find this link in this video command in this video description. So let's get started. Okay, first I import this package, import pandas as PD. Then data is a variable. Inside the variable I'm using this PD. So where I got this PD, this PD is nothing but, here you see pandas as PD. Okay, so here we can use pandas or PD, we can use anything. Okay, this is a data variable. Inside the data variable we have name, age, city. These all are the columns, these all are the rows. Okay, now let's print this. I'm going to comment everything and I'm going to print this. So I got only one data because using this head method we can control the data. For example, if I put this 2, so I can get only 2 data. See, if I put 1, I can get 1 data. So I'm going to remove everything. So I'm going to put like this. Let me run this code. I get 5 data. Okay, how this 5 data comes? So if you not put any value inside this bracket, this head method will take it as half of the value. For example, here we have 9 data, so 9 half is 4.5. So that's why we got 5 data. I hope you guys understand the concepts of head method. Then I print this data. I'm going to command this one. Let's run this code again. See, I got 0 to 7. These all are the index. You see, I told you when I create this video, that time only I'll get more disturbance. You can't hear the small song. So no one going to stop me to create this video. So I'm going to do this. Okay, like it. Okay, let's start again. Okay, I hope you guys understand the concepts of head method. Then I'm going to print this data. Then I'm using this info method. By using this info method, what we can do is we can find the metadata of this data. So this data is look like column and row, right? So column, so we can so these all are the disturbance given by God. So God tested me my hard work. So I'm telling to God, hey God, you can't stop me. See that guy? Actually, I'm not going to edit this video because editing taking me more time, like 2 hours or 1 hour. So I'm going to post this video. Okay, let's start again. So by using this info method, we can find this data metadata. So this data is look like column and row, right? So I want to find this metadata. Metadata means data of data. And then this code, you will understand. You see this column, not null, and count, and data type. Okay, and range of index, and total column, and the memory usage. So these all are the metadata. So by using this info, we can find the metadata. Okay, by using this describe method, we can find the statistics of numeric columns. So this is the numeric columns. Numeric columns is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. It's an integer. So let me run this code. You see this? So here I can see the statistic. So in this data, there is a small, there is a high, like there is a minimum, there is a maximum. So here is a minimum is 12. See this, minimum is 12, maximum is 90, and the count is 8, mean is 46, which means it's a percentage out of 100%, and the standard and the minimum and 25%, 70%. So I got the statistics of this column. I hope you guys understand the concepts of describe. Okay, now I want to access this age alone. This is a age column, right? So I want to print only this age. By using this data is nothing but variable name, and inside the square bracket I put this age. Age is a column name. Okay, let's run this code. Here you see I got the correct value. Now I want to print the multiple column. So if you want to print the multiple column, you put like this. So I go into add another column, city. Let's run this code. See, so here I'm using 2 square bracket, and I'm going to remove this one. Then I'm going to run. See, it's working fine. Now I want to find conditional basis. Conditional basis mean, I'll explain you, which mean I want to know more than 30 age peoples, more than 30 age people. So I'm using this symbol that, let's run this code. See, Ajit, Kamal and Balu, they all are more than 30 age people. More than 30 age, 90, 80 and 80. So we have 3 values. So I hope you guys understand this concepts also. So if you want this link, you go and check on this video description. Okay, now coming to example 2. Okay, this example 2, I want to sum this age. So by using this sum method, we can sum the age column. Let me command this. Let's run this code. It is not working. Let's command this too. See, 371. The total sum is 371. So by using this sum method, we can sum the data and this maximum and minimum. Going to command this. I want to find the maximum number of age and the minimum number of age. Let's run this code. 12 and 9. Now I want to edit the single value. For example, Bharathi age is 26. I want to change this Bharathi age 26 to 30. So here you see Bharathi is in 0th index. So I'm changing this index 1 to 0. Then I'm changing 26 to 30. Let's print this. You see, now Bharathi age is changed 26 to 30. So by using this at, we can access or set the single data. Now we want to access group of data. So if you want to access group of data, you can use local. So local and the name. If the name Kamal age is equal to 60, which mean this is a condition, right? If the name is Kamal, we change his age 60. Now what is the Kamal age? Kamal age is 90. So you want to change his age 60. I'm going to command this. Run this code. You see, that is Kamal. Now Kamal age has changed 90 to 60. So example 2 also completed. Now go to example 3. This example 3, we have group by and duplicate and to list. I'll explain you. This is the data. This data has 3 columns: name, age and area. So we want to find the mean. Mean is nothing but average. So here you can see the Bharati and Vijay. There is a 2 Vijay. If you are using group by, this group by will exclude duplicate value. So here you can see Babu. What is the Vijay age? It's a 30 and area 20 and Babu 70 and his age 23. Let's run this code. I'm going to command this. Here you see data dot group by, and we are group bying this name dot mean. Let's run this code. Here you can't see any duplicate value. See, there is only one Vijay. There is only one Babu, because here you can see 2 Vijay, 2 Babu. But if you are using group by, it will exclude the duplicate value and also it will find the mean, which means average value. Here you see Vijay area is 20, another Vijay area is 0. So here we can see the Vijay area is only 100 because there is a 2 Vijay. So the percentage of this 200 is divided by 2, which is 100. So that's why we got the value 100%. So guys, understand this concept. And second one is, we want to find the duplicate value. So I'm using the same group by and data dot columns to list. This is the method, and dot size. Let's run this code. See, Babu, there is a two Babu. Vijay, see Vijay, one Vijay, and another Vijay. Because this 2 is a different value. So that's why we have 2. Now I'm going to change Babu, the 72 7. Sorry, 72 0. See, this value is a 70 and this value is a 0. Now in this code, here we can see the duplicate value. See, these are the duplicate value. By using this toList dot size, we can find the duplicate value in data frame. Now we want to filter the duplicate. It's very simple. Data inside the data array, data dot duplicate method. So run this code. Here you can't see any duplicate. Here there is a 2 Vijay, there is a 2 Babu. Why we got this? Because the area is different. See, 70 and 0 and 200 and 0. Let me change this 0 to 200. Now we get only 1 Vijay. See. Okay, this is how this duplicate and group by method is working. Now coming to the project. Already 15 minutes gone. Okay, this project is very simple. I'm using two packages. One package name is matplotlib, another package is pandas. This matplotlib, what we can do is, by using this package, we can do data analysis. We can visualize the data in pie chart or bar chart format. So I'm reading the file pd dot, this is a pandas dot read csv. By using this read csv, we can read the csv file sales data dot csv. Here is a sales data dot csv. Here you can see date, product, amount, customer, and region. If you want to see this data, so this is the data looks like. Now we want to find the every month sales. Okay, now I'm going to command this all. Let's run this code. I got this. Okay, this is the information. Amount is an integer. All data type is an object. Now we want to find the monthly wise sales, right? So let's command this one. I go with sales data. This data has my data frame dot group by. I'm group bying the data. Inside group by, I am using pd dot to date type. Okay, I'm converting this data type to date time data type. So I'm converting by using this to date time. Then I want to know the monthly wise sales, right? So I'm using this dot td dot to period is monthly, and if you want to find day, you can use d. If you want to find weekly, you can use w. So I'm using this amount dot sum. Okay, so there is a date column. I'm converting this date column. Then I using this amount. This is the amount, $100, $1,000, $1,500, and go to the project. Now I print this. So this is a monthly sales, January, February, and March. Okay. Now I want to view this data. This is a data visualization. So I'm using, this is my data. This variable has my data dot plot. Where is plot? Here you see plotly as PLP. Okay, dot plot kind is equal to bar. Here you can see use anything, bar or line or anything, or pie. Okay, I'm using bar chart. So there is a chart having title, right? This is the title of chart, total sales by month. So in chart there are x-axis and y-axis. In x-axis I have labeled month, and y-axis I labeled total month sales. Then I show this data. Now I'm going to run this code. I got this data. This is how the data analytics is working. This is how the data analytics can do, or what I can say. Okay, I hope you guys understand this video, and if you have any doubts, or if you want this link, to go and get the link on this video description. And also you have doubt, you contact me on LinkedIn, and I will respond your email. And thanks for watching this video. I will see you next video. Thank you. Bye bye.